Hello friends, you're welcome back to Chimade Educator Video channel. In this video I want to show you this newly launched system, and the video is all about how to register with it. Very simple registration system. Then every other question you need to ask, please, you can contact me, you can tell me about it here on the comment box or contact me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to answer all your questions. So, but learn how to make registration right away. So you're going to get the link, registration link like this one. I click on it. So let me show you all that the system requires when it comes to making registration. Okay, so what you are seeing here is the invitation code. Either you have a code, or if you register directly from a referral link, the invitation code will be there automatically. So you don't need to remove that. Now you type your email. In this case, I may put something like this. Okay. Then when you put your email, you put your password. Once you are done putting password and confirming password, you click on register now. Just see what we're going to have right now. So this is registration is successful. So this is it. And then the rest of it follows. You are talking about making deposit. But before you make deposit, you have to make a choice of the VIP level you want to go with. The cheapest VIP level here is the one of 3,300. Yes, it lasts for 50 days. So the second one is 8,150. The third one is 14,845. Then fourth one is 22,238. VIP 5 is 44,100. VIP 6 95,400. VIP 7 160,500. VIP 8 367,000 plus. Then VIP 9 671,000. So before you invest, you must have made deposit. For instance, someone wants to invest for VIP 2, which is 8,150. It means you are going to go for deposit first. Click on deposit and then make that deposit. Then after the deposit, you can now, the money is already in your balance. You can now come up to make your investment. So for this fact, this is just all about registering with this system and knowing a little about it. So every other question of how do I make deposits, how do I make withdrawal, how do I build a team, what do I get by referring others, you're going to have it in our subsequent videos. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe so that every video will release after this, you're going to get it. If you have a question, please don't just do your thing. Contact me. You're going to see the link to join through my referral link. I'm like your leader. Feel free to contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram and ask every question, especially when it comes to making investments like this. I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.